Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by chilling tools and ingredients. This matters because cold fat whips up air better. Measure 1 cup full-fat coconut cream or 3/4 cup aquafaba and pour into a chilled bowl now. Add 2-3 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla so flavors are integrated from the start. Start whisking at mid-high speed or use a hand mixer. You want soft peaks first. Once you see volume increasing, slow to medium to stabilize the structure before it overwhips. You continue by controlling speed and timing because structure forms gradually and can collapse if rushed. For coconut cream, whip 2 to 4 minutes until soft to firm peaks. For aquafaba, expect 6 to 10 minutes to reach stiffness. Once peaks form, fold in 1 teaspoon cornstarch or 1 tablespoon powdered sugar to help stabilize and prevent weep. Make sure to taste. Add a touch more sugar or vanilla now. Keep chilled between steps to maintain volume and texture. You finish by chilling the whipped cream 30 to 60 minutes so it firms and holds shape on desserts. Spoon or pipe gently. When folding into batters, use gentle lifts to preserve the air you built. Serve within 24 hours for best texture and keep cold until plating. If the cream looks weepy or flat, make sure it is chilled, then try a briefer whip. Alternatively, whisk in 1 teaspoon cornstarch to restabilize. That tip rescues many collapsed batches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.